Old Alabama Gardener here, and in this video I'm showing you how I make a bean burrito using my homegrown beans and a couple other ingredients. Now folks, you know that a homegrown and homemade meal is always better, and so I'm going to be making a homemade bean burrito with pinto beans that I have grown this past summer. I've also canned them. Plus we'll be adding some other things to it. Now you know that homegrown stuff is always going to be much better for you and much healthier. So some of the other things that we're going to put in this burrito is going to be some of the jalapeno peppers that you saw me growing and canning. Here's a jar of them right here. We'll be putting in some of our salsa. It's similar to Rotel, but much better, of course. Some of our salsa. And here we are. Here's the pinto beans. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a great bean burrito using these pinto beans. And I have a little trick, a little tip, I guess I could call it, on something that I do that takes a regular bean burrito and kicks it up about 10 more notches. And you'll see when I get to it what we're talking about. So now the other thing I want to ask you to do is, at the end of this video, in the last 20 seconds of the video, I'll put up some little thumbnail pictures of the videos of where I was growing and canning these pinto beans. So when you get there, you can click on that to do that. I want to make one more little comment. Have you watched a video that it'll break maybe anywhere from 1 to 3 times during the video to pop in commercial ads? I bet you have. I don't like those kind of things. And so what I want to do is I want to give you what I call a quality video. So I'm not going to break in the middle of my video with some commercial ads. It's just whatever money that ad earns is not worth the sacrifice of what I think is a quality video. So it's time for our first pick. And what I want is for the pod to be yellow. And when I open it, like you see here, I want the beans to be showing a brown stripes of color. These pinto beans are at what's called the shell out stage. And what that means is that they're mature, they're plump, but they are not dry. So here's a jar of them. Looks like I canned these on the 6th of September. Now you remember those jalapeno peppers I was canning back in the summer? We're going to open up this jar of these. Set them aside for the minute. Now you remember that salsa that I was making back in the summer? Well, here it is. But I already got a jar open, so I'll use it up first. Now we'll put some onion on. Some of those jalapenos. Now some of that salsa. Looks like I'm about to use this jar up. Nice and brown. You can hear it's crusty. Alright, so here's my pinto bean burrito. Pintos that I grew. Salsa that I made in the summer from tomatoes and peppers and things. Some jalapeno peppers on it that I grew back in the summer. So let's give it a taste. That's good. Of course it's good. It's all homegrown, except for the bread part and the cheese, but oh, that's really, really good. Got some onions on it too. That's really good. You know what I'm gonna say now, don't you? I wish I could give you a bite of this. No, I'll give you this one. I'll give you this whole half of a burrito here. Let you try it. You can just see how good it is. But can't do it. Next summer you have to get out there in the garden, grow your tomatoes, grow your peppers, grow your onions, make your salsa, can your pinto beans. It's all homegrown. That's all there is to it. Just get out there and do it. Now you know, I really would like to share this with you.